Turn right, Tim. You missed the turn. It's right here. Little loose right now. Just yell if you're gonna have to stop. Yep. Since I'm pretty close behind you. Oh, dang it. Messed it up. Oh, you messed it up, Scooby. Yeah. Nice work. See, there's your transmission. Now you notice the difference?
I mean, if it is, it's very minor.
If you would have tried to shift that on a regular e-bike with a regular transmission, I guarantee you'd have 8 gears up. Because you just have so much more torque. Those guys are moving pretty quick. You think they're going to come mega, or you think they're doing regular? Dropping. Dropping. Nice work, Tim. Yeah, it's a little tight pinch. Bam. Nice job, dude.
I was like, what the heck?
This has those steps too. Remember? All those stairs. You got it, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! I almost did the big one. I thought about it, but then I paused. I'm like, crap, too late. Lost my speed.
No, that was good. I just
Right here.
remember the first time I went down that, I got super squirrely. Kind of scared me for a second to think about it.
Yeah. Whew.
Good thing my wheelbase wasn't
All right, well, good luck on this one. Hey, you can get it, I can get it. It's just hard. Dang it, 1 foot. Son of a. 1 footer. Plenty doable, just hard. Even on the e-bike, that's hard. No. This is just Mega Zen. It's just normally people don't realize it and they take the road.
Yeah, I had no idea it was here.
Yeah, this is the actual trail. Which can kick your butt, even on an e-bike. Oh man, nice work. Nice work.